brightness on an aggravated battery.
Hello everyone, thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here with the brand new Jeep JL. Not to be confused with the legendary Jeep LJ. This is the new JL. And we've got a little bit of simple warning here. Probably work real great for some rural mail carriers or anybody that's involved in construction like this gentleman. This Jeep has aftermarket front and rear bumpers. So we had to come up with a custom solution in the back that worked with the rear bumper. But up front, we wanted to keep it simple and easy. So what you're seeing right there in the top honeycomb of that grill slot on the outer edges of the famous 7-slot grill is our LED HAW Duo with a black mounting flange in LD amber. Out back of this build, we're featuring one single Razor LED and two of our Thin X TIR amber LEDs, one on each corner of the bumper. As you can see in the front, because we only went with two heads, we went with a single ping pong fast alternation. I believe this is 375 FPM single flash alternation. As you can see here, this is the spectacular Rubicon model in nice classic white with paint to match hardtop. Amp Research power steps were also added to this Jeep. These are the kind of steps that fold down. As you can see, when you open the door, the passenger door is cracked. And then they fold up when they're out of use. I'll go ahead and do that on camera for you. So if you like those kind of steps, inquire about it. We can custom order them for you. I don't stock them, so many different applications, but we can certainly get them for you. Let me show you that grill a little bit closer with the lights off. You can see the mounting. So as you can see there, we're just using an amber LD, and we back mounted that with a piece of ABS plastic behind it, cut to fit. That's 1/4-inch black ABS plastic, available in many locations. Sometimes it's sold under the name Sentra or Zentra, I believe. But that's a LD HAW Duo in amber with our black mounting flange right there on the top of the grill, one on each side. And we did put a quick disconnect. It actually comes with the quick disconnect. The waterproof disconnect's already on the light, so you can pop the grill out of place. We mounted the module with the connectors under the hood, and that way the grill can be removed for service very easily. Let me show you the back of this build. All right, so out back, as promised, we've got our Thin X TIRs down low in the alternating 3x3 solid amber. And up top, right above the factory third brake light, we've got one of our new Razors. And that's in an alternating 2-speed pattern between white and amber. This is a collaboration of customer request and our idea to just try to get some kind of lighting back here without involving too much of the factory brake light and reverse light. There's not a whole lot you can mount on the factory breaker reverse on this one. The top of it's on kind of a downward angle. We might be able to possibly put a Razor on top of each reverse light, but we went with this. We just felt it looked a little cleaner. And let me show you a little bit better detail about that bumper and how those lights are mounted in it, what we had to do there. All right, so as you can see, we've used our ABS, pardon me, my bad. We've used our ABS panel again back here to fill in the space left when we removed this. This is what the bumper came with. Our friends over at Addictive Desert Design make a nice little insert for there that goes over it, but we couldn't really mount the light to that because of this large void here. And we wanted to make this more of a damage-free reversible install. So we just cut an ABS panel real quick, uses the factory add hardware, and we mounted our Thin X right to the ABS panel, as you can see. And that way, if he ever wanted to take the lights off the vehicle, he can go ahead and just put the add inserts right back in and remove the ABS panel with the lights. And we didn't drill, cut any holes, modify anything, and it's actually a really nice placement for the lights. He's going to go ahead and add in some rigids right here very soon. That'll be another build where we do the front rear white light bars, but that hole is going to get some rigid D2 dualies. So this is just a real good spot for a nice warning light right next to it. It's low profile. I'm hoping he doesn't smash the crap out of it on some rocks or bash it off-road, but time will tell. So let me show you how we did the razor too, because we wanted to add a little bit of height to the install and keep it real simple and not affect the spare tire. So here's the backside. That's just our razor and our wire loom. We kept it on the outside. Yes, I know I could have split the case and ran it all internally, but wasn't warranted for this. We just ran it on the outside. We brought it down behind the door, and what we did is we ran it on the inside here. So we pulled the door panel, ran it through the factory wiring right through the door panel, put a quick connector in there just in case you got to release it, and then came out the gate and up the back here right to our razor. Let me show you the front. Now there's kind of a side view of it, and then as I close the gate, you'll see it's just basically mounted right on the top with the factory included 90-degree brackets. It works out real nice, gives you that real good punch up high. It was quick, it was easy, and it's very much effective. Just another shot in the back. So keep us in mind for sure for your construction and safety emergency lighting needs. Any of your construction or safety warning equipment, always check wickedwarnings.com, and make sure you check the description of this video for links to all of these lights, the razor, the Thin-X, the LED HAW Duo, all available and in stock daily at wickedwarnings.com. Make sure to subscribe to our email. Drop us an email at info@wickedwarnings.com. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching. By the way, we controlled all of this with the factory auxiliary switches that were included in the Rubicon. So they hook up under the hood, very easy. Already several videos on YouTube about those. That's what's turning these on. Auxiliary switch number 1 turns everything on. So stay tuned too. We'll have this Jeep back for more modifications, possibly some bigger tires and definitely some white lights all around it. See you on the next video.